Alright, so inside this video we're going to do a volume report calculation. We've got the proposed surface loaded, pretending like the site's just been cleared, and we want to check that our estimate was right, that we bid the job off of. So first thing we're going to do is show up on site, click on volumes, then we're going to tell it we want to create a new surface. So here we're just going to walk a grid or put it on a four-wheeler, ride the site, and take shots all over the job. So since I'm on simulator, I'm not going to get a million shots on here like you would in real life, but we'll do a toolbox and end surface to create a surface off of those shots. Call it EX surface for existing ground surface. So now we'll select that surface and do toolbox. We're going to calculate volumes, comparing two surfaces. Select our design surface, so we'll click our final grade, hit the check. If it didn't balance, and you have the option to do so, you can raise or lower the proposed surface or adjust for topsoil stripping. So we can adjust it. We can say we need to raise this site to make it balance out a little better. See what 1 foot does. So you can see how you play with those numbers, and it'll let you know, what you need to do. Also put in your swell shrink factors, and then the graphical representation of your heat shading map. So this is just the basic part of the volume. It's going to create a much more detailed report. So we're going to hit green check, and let's call this takeoff. So now if we go back to the home screen, we can go to reports. And here we can do a PDF, HTML, whatever kind of format you want to send it to your customer. You can also set up your company name and all on here. So we're going to say if we want to do a volume report of the takeoff job, and green check. We can send it straight to the Connex server. I'm just going to do it to internal memory here. Report's been created, and I'll find on here. This is what it'll actually look like. So have your company name, all the project details with the units used, all your volume information, how many points you used, images showing the area of the site that was covered, and then a cut fill color map, kind of giving you a real representation of your high and low areas. But it's more detailed because it'll tell you what points it compared. If you're using a real sensor instead of just simulation, it would have your accuracy on every shot you took. So when you send it off, they know you're giving them what you said you were. It's no bad survey data. Anyway, appreciate you watching this, and hopefully be putting a lot more of these out there. Thank you.